Okay, welcome to the third lesson for Documents for a Purpose on the ICT Starters on Track, Stage 1. Okay, today we're going to have a look at cropping and resizing images. The last lesson we looked at wrapping text around the image. Now we're going to have a look at how to crop that image and resize the image to use in the text. Okay, so let me open up our Word document. I'm going to insert a picture. Okay, so do you remember how to add a picture? I'm going to go to Insert and the tab at the top, Pictures, and then you find where your picture is. My picture is located on the desktop, so I'm going to use this picture here. Okay, double click. Now we have this picture. We have the option we can resize it by clicking on the corners. Be careful when using these, because as you can see it distorts the image if you use the ones that aren't on the corners. Okay, you can see that it can distort the images. Okay, so to remain and keep the perspective, use the corners to change the image size. Now let's say for example we only want to keep this middle section of this photo, so we need to crop out these heads here and we need to crop out the person here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our crop option here. We're going to click on the crop and you can see these little thick black lines have appeared. Okay, now what this allows us to do is it allows us to drag the areas that we don't want to keep. As you can see, if I was to just select the left hand side like so and move it along and I click away from the photo, it will crop out the picture. Okay, but we want to crop out the left and the right. So just to show you from the beginning, I click on the picture. As you can see, there's no formatting options there yet. I click on the picture and you will see it appear there. Okay, now the picture tools has appeared. When I click on format, this will change the picture that's selected. Okay, so these are the options here. And today we're looking at the crop tool. So I'm going to click on crop and we're going to crop out the person on the right and the heads on the left. And then when I click my mouse button away like so, you can see I can crop the picture. Okay, and again, if we want to resize this to make it slightly larger, we can resize it using this button here. Be careful when using these again, because you can distort it. The picture doesn't look so good now. Okay, so if you do want to make it bigger, use the little icons at the corner. Okay, for today's activity, you are going to complete activity 3.1 and 3.2 on page 13. Okay, thank you very much.